In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to open Opay business account. So all you just need to do, just follow this process in this video. So right here, you can see after opening the app, it's asking me to allow access to this device location. So I'm going to select why using this app. So I'm going to click on that. Then you can see allow Opay business to send you notifications. So I'm going to allow that as well. Allow Opay business to access photo and video on this device. So I'm also gonna allow that. So you can see right here, reliable, fast and safe payment. Create an account. If you already have an account already, so that you can just click on login down below. But then I don't have Opay business account, so I'm going to be clicking on create an account. So right here it's already asking me for phone number, which of course I want to be using for my Opay business account. So you can also provide your phone number right there. So I'm gonna put in a phone number that I actually want to use for this Opay business. So I'm gonna provide the number right here. Alright, so I already provided the number, so they will be sending me an OTP to my phone number. So I'm okay, the OTP is in already. Let me provide that. Alright, so the OTP is already provided. So you can see right here, they are asking me to enter your ID information. So you can see I have to provide my BVN, and if I'm not providing the BVN, I think there's another option right there, which is my NIN. So I'm gonna provide my NIN down below. Then for my ID number, so I have to provide the ID number for my NIN, which of course that will be the next thing they're gonna use to process my Opay business account. So you can also see down below, in line with CBN latest regulatory requirement, we will obtain your face, name, gender, date of birth. After you provided your ID information for verification, Opay will protect your information security. So you have to provide this. Then once you provide your 11-digit NIN number, then the next thing you're gonna do is just click on continue. So it's either you provided your BVN or your NIN. So one of the two should definitely work for you. So right here, I'm gonna be providing my own NIN. So I have to look for my NIN ID so I can continue with that. Alright, so let me continue. So I'm gonna provide my NIN. Alright, so I already do that. I'm gonna click on continue now. Alright, so allow Opay to take pictures and video record. So let me see how that works while using this app. Okay, so let's start. So I click on let's start. So let's see if it's gonna work. So
kindly open your mouth. Good. Kindly nod. Good.
alright, so they say verification failed. The face does not match the following ID link to your account. So I don't know, and that's literally my face. So rescan face. So let me try to rescan again.
Kindly move back. Good. Kindly open your mouth. Kindly open your mouth. Kindly open your mouth. Good. Kindly blink. Good.
Alright, so it still failed. I don't know what exactly is going on.
Good. Kindly open your mouth. Good. Kindly. Good.
Alright, verify successful. So I was able to verify at the end because it actually takes some time. So NIN, reserved phone number. Alright, so I already have a personal Opay account already. So then the NIN name, so it's also provide my name right here. So but then you have to provide your date of birth as well. So provide date of birth, and then the reserved phone number. You have to provide your main phone number that is linked to your NIN. You can see right here. So they're asking me to provide that phone number. If you forget the reserved phone number, you can contact the NIN for confirmation. So if you forget your own, so right here I'm gonna be selecting my name right here, then my date of birth, I'm gonna be selecting that. Click on confirm, then the phone number. So I'm gonna click on continue like that. Alright, for your residential address, you're gonna be providing your state. Alright, so I already provided my details, so I'm gonna click on continue. So they asked me for my Opay account is ready. You can see the account number right there. So ask me for to set a password. So I'm gonna provide a password to that. So on this referral code right here, I'm gonna be providing a random referral code. So let's see if it's gonna work. So let me check on my referral code if it's still there, or maybe I can actually just continue because it's not really that important. So I'm gonna click on continue. So you can see right here the account is on tier 1. You can see Opay account number. So this is not on a business this is not on a business account name yet. You can see complete your business information. So it's gonna take you straight down to this page. So you can see business name, store name, then industry category. So you're gonna provide all this information. So I'm gonna provide in must be media, then industry. So there are a lot of industry right there, so you can just check on the one that actually suits your own business. Shopping, home service, personal service. I think personal services is okay. Online learning, security, online, number of store, only one for now. You can select your own number of store. So if you have multiple store, number of employee, so you can select your own number of employee, maybe 1 to 10. So you can also see source of fund, trading activities. So I think that's the only option that is there. You can see purpose of account, collection, so you can click on continue. They ask me to upload your storefront photo. So I don't know if I have any picture on this particular device, so let me try to send one picture of my this thing. So let me look for one. Must be media. I think I have one picture designed, so I'm gonna just use that. So if you have your own store image, you can also upload that. So click to upload. So you can see they ask us how it should looks like, not like this, not like this. So let's see if they're gonna do any verification on that. Alright, so this is my own logo, so let's see if they're gonna accept that. This photo does not meet the requirement. Kindly refer to this simple picture and upload new one. Okay, I don't want to do that. Let me just click on skip. Oh, okay, so I have to provide my business details. So add your business address. So I'm just gonna use the same address just like as it is. Alright, so it said due to CBN new requirement, please actually mark your location on the map. So let me see if that will work. Alright, so I'm gonna search so you have to use the search option to find your own location. So just find where your business is actually located, then click on confirm. So you can see it's already bringing a location for me, so I'm gonna click on continue. Alright, I think now we have a business Opay business account. So it actually take time, so that's why I don't want to skip any part in this video. This is your available balance for payment. For other assets, please check the balance page. So I'm gonna click on this. So this is the inside of my Opay business account created on my Android device. So you can see all these features right here. So this is how you can actually create your Opay business account. And another thing that also want to tell you is that if you don't have a business, you don't need to actually create this account, I guess. So you can also follow other details on how to go about this.